how to log in to Comcast email account. So if you want to log into Comcast email account, then first open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply go for the search bar and search for Comcast email login. Once you've searched for that, here it will take you to the Comcast, which is click on that. Once you click on that, it will take you to the sign in page. So to sign into your account, first you need to enter your email or your username on the first blank, and then click on Let's Go. And once you click on Let's Go, it will ask you to enter your password. You need to enter your password on the next blank. And if you don't remember your password, then you will have your forgot password option, or you can get some help while logging into your account. If you remember, then you can enter your password and then you can click on Let's Go or sign in, and you'll be signed in or logged into your Xfinity or your Comcast account. So that's how you sign in or log into your Comcast account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.